So we had built a project which is a zero knowledge based crypto mixer. So before moving ahead, I'll just tell you in brief what a crypto mixer is. So crypto mixer is a smart contract, zero knowledge based smart contract in which a depositor can deposit the money and the withdrawer can withdraw the money. But the catch over here is the we cannot establish a relationship between the depositor and the withdrawer. So we cannot trace that who has withdrawn for a given deposit. So as you might have guessed till now, yes, Tornado Cash was also a kind of crypto mixer, but due to some reasons it got sanctioned. So as you had seen that due to its impactful use case, in few days or in few weeks only it got a lots of users onboarded, but due to some malicious users activity onto that project, it got sanctioned by the US government. Reason being, uh, the malicious users or the addresses who has earlier been involved in scams or illegal activity were interacting to the particular crypto mixer depositing money, but the addresses who were withdrawing that particular deposit, the agencies were not able to track those things since it was based on a zero knowledge protocol, specifically growth 16. So it was not possible to track the withdrawer who has withdrawn for the specific deposit. So it got sanctioned, but we'll all have to agree that it has an immense potential and immense use case. So what we are building right now is how we can build a crypto mixer which will not come under the sanction list. So this particular project is based on a white paper which is co-authored by Vitalik. So what it says that uh, the deposit is going to be the same as we have in other crypto mixers, like the depositor will have to deposit the money into the pool with a commitment, and then the depositor will share that commitment to the withdrawer, and then withdrawer will submit a proof to the smart contract that they know that particular commitment. But now this time they'll not just prove that they know that particular commitment, but they will prove that they are a part of a associative set. Now the question here is, what is a associative set? So basically all the depositors who are there in the crypto mixers can make a associative set. So the size of the associative set can vary from one user to the n number of users who has deposited in the particular pool. Now there is no standard formula what should be the standard size of a pool. So it's basically there is a trade off between the size. If the size of the associative set is small, then the privacy is very less. If the size of the associative set is very large, then the risk of getting sanctioned is also very large. So I'll just give you a demo about what we have built. So there is one more thing. There is a one more third party which is involved, which is known as associative set providers. So the role of associative set provider is to link you to a specific associative set. So what they will do is, like, there will be a lots of associative set provider which are providing you, getting you into a specific associative set based on different criteria. So we had implemented few criterias over here just to show the demo. So I'll just show you the demo. So we'll just connect the wallet part first. So yeah, now what we need to do is we have the options of both the tokens, like the native token of the blockchain and the ERC20 as well. So for now we have only shown USDC and the native token. So I'll just select native token and I'll click on deposit. So in the background what's happening is it is generating a secret and a nullifier. So it will generate a secret. And so this is the UI of our application, where like you need to deposit the money. So for now we have two options: the native token of the blockchain plus the ERC20. So I'll be choosing the native token, and since we already know that the size of the pool needs to be constant, so for the native token it is 0.01 native token. So I'll click on deposit, and what's happening in background it is creating a secret for us. Like a secret will be created, and with the help of that secret a commitment will be generated, and that commitment needs to be posted on chain. So what you can see here is this is a this is a text, or basically you can say the secret message that we need to pass on to the withdrawer. So this contains the secret, the nullifier, the Merkle tree path. All those things are inside this only. So we'll just copy it. Either we can switch to a different address, or we can do it through the same address. So for the demo sake I'll just do it through the same address. So I'll go to withdraw, I'll select the pool. So since we have single pool right now for 0.01 native token, I'll select that, and I'll paste that particular proof over here. And now we have the option which ASP I want to use. So for now I have shown 4 ASP. So the first ASP is the basic ASP. So that is to show that anyone can create their ASP, and that ASP does not have any constraint. Anyone can join that particular ASP. Now the second one is Anon Aadhaar ASP. So this is based on the Ethereum Foundation Anon Aadhaar system, where you need to upload your Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is basically a unique digital identity number for every Indian. So Indian can upload their Aadhaar, and that Aadhaar like will create a ZK snark proof, and that proof needs to be verified into our ASP contract. So with that we will come to know that the user who's trying to be a part of this particular ASP is a user, and he does not have multiple wallets and those kind of thing. We can also add that. Then there is a specific ASP that I had made for handling ERC20 kind of tokens. Then there is a attestation ASP. So I was trying to build something related to reputation. So since the reputation system was not ready yet, so what we did is we used the attestation system of Ethereum Foundation, and made it in a way we introduce few logics. With that we will be able to build some vague kind of reputation or scoring system. But yeah, we can improve that, but this is for the demo sake. So if a address has a good reputation, then they can be a part of that particular associative set. So before like you need to upload your commitment, like give your commitment to the ASP. So these ASP needs to be decentralized and trustworthy, and then that ASP will see that okay, if this particular commitment has been uploaded by or deposited by a malicious user, or a legit user. If it is uploaded by a malicious user, they will not add you to his particular associative set. But if it is done by a legit user, then if all your criteria has met, like if you are into Anon Aadhaar, so if you are a legit user who has a valid non-malicious commitment, plus you have an Indian Aadhaar card, then you can be a part of this. So associative set can have different combination of rules and regulation. So yeah, so I'll just be showing the basic uh, ASP, because all the other ASP will take time to verify the proof. So what I'll do is I'll click on withdraw. So now my commitment has gone to the backend. In that backend, our backend is acting as a ASP. So that has verified our commitment, and once it is verified, it will give us the Merkle path for that particular ASP. Like since I'm a part of that ASP, so it will give me a Merkle path for that, and then I can upload that, like include that Merkle path into my proof, and then use that proof to withdraw the token. it will take some time because a transaction is being done by the ASP on behalf of the user, so that no one can trace the relationship between the user and the commitment. So the ASP will do it on the user's behalf. So once that is done on the ASP's side, it will return us the path. And for now, like what we had done is, once the path is returned, it will directly initiate a transaction, withdrawal transaction. So if you can see, I can click on this and I can withdraw my money. So you can look at the transactions as well that has happened, deposit and withdraw. So you can see that at the time of deposit, we had uploaded a commitment. Now at the time of withdraw, I had not uploaded the commitment directly, but I had uploaded a proof which says that I know the nullifier and the secret, and I am a part of a valid associative set. Yeah, thank you. So like we have another page which has the description about each ASP. So as I showed you earlier, like this is the Merkle tree for each, like for each member in that particular ASP is acting as a leaf. So here, like this is the basic ASP. Then there is the Aadhaar ASP where you can connect and upload your Aadhaar. It will generate a proof onto your local system only. And then there is the attestation ASP. So in that you need to first check your eligibility. If you are eligible, then only you will be able to be a part of that particular associative set. So it shows that I am eligible, so I can be a part of it. Thank you. Bye.